Annyeong and hello, and welcome to the first episode of Meals in Minutes. Today is a special one, a big one, and an epic one. We are doing Korean burritos, or as I like to call them, Burritos. They're super easy, very fast, and very diverse in terms of the direction you can take with the ingredients. So I hope you brought your appetite like I did mine, because we're about to go. So the most important ingredient here will be the gochujang, or the hot pepper paste. We are going to combine this with soy sauce, garlic, and a bit of sugar to create kind of our marinade for whatever proteins you do choose. Okay, so I've combined about a quarter cup of soy, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 cloves of garlic, and a little bit of brown sugar in there. And we're just going to whisk it up. So mix it up good. And I'm just cooking for one, so there should be enough. I'm going to add pork and onions to this mixture. And there we go. Just like that. Okay, so our pork and onion mixture is done here. We are just going to toss gochujang over top, and we're just going to mix that up and let it marinate. All right, and look as I pan over this, how beautiful this is. This is fully coated. It's just going to marinate for about an hour to 2 hours. You can marinate it overnight. You could marinate it for 10 weeks if you wanted to, but you probably couldn't eat it at that point. So I'm thinking probably anywhere from 2 hours to a day. And you can get creative with this too. You can add in shrimp, you can add in all different types of vegetables. So the world is your oyster on this one. So as everything's marinating down, it's a prime opportunity to tell you guys, my beautiful viewers out there, that 79% of you are not subscribed yet. So go ahead, smash that subscribe button. We're going to be cooking in the future. We're going to be traveling in the future. So I'd appreciate it, and I love you. So it's never too early to throw your rice on. So I throw on my rice on. I've used it via rice cooker. Done about a half a cup of basmati, but we are going to prep for the ingredients that go into the rice. So obviously frozen edamame, and I'm sorry, it's the best I could get, but that's that. And this is bye-bye. And now we're going to focus on the cilantro, fresh, of course. Great. So while chopping cilantro, the one trick you want to do is just take it all and just kind of work it into the tightest, whatever you want to call it, as possible. I'm going to take your blade down, and that is going to be beautiful in the old bucket of rice. Great, so our edamame, cilantro, and rice, and a bit of salt are mixed in, and we're going to stir it all up. And look how beautiful this rice is. Now's a great opportunity. Let's throw our pan on, and let's throw on the marinated pork. So the pork is simmering away. It looks absolutely excellent. It's going to be about another 5 minutes, and then we are going to plate with the tortillas. And there is called the kimchi or burrito. Korean burrito, kimchi, rice, edamame, cilantro, and obviously our gochujang pork. We're going to roll it all out.